YouTube, what is y'all doing? So today is just another day in the cold life kingdom. I'm still waiting on some parts for this car. I did an outer tie rod in on this side because it was bad, and that worked out pretty good. But today, I can't find one of these at a junkyard or anything like that. But I wanted to keep myself busy on this car because it's definitely a lot to do, to be done on it. And one of the things that I really want to do was buff out these headlights because they look really, really bad. So I picked up something that I wanted to try. How great. So yeah, I picked up something that I wanted to try. I'm gonna show it to y'all. This Rust-Oleum headlight kit. I didn't do any research or anything. I just decided I would pick it up and give it a try because I can't really make it any worse than what it is now. So I guess it's gonna be like kind of a product review. Let's look at it. It includes pads, sanding pads, finishing pads, polishing compound. So I need to read these directions, but I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. So you're gonna sand these down and polish them. I got a drill in the other room. So it's probably gonna be a short video. I'm gonna let y'all know that ahead of time. I'm gonna try and buff these out and then see how they come out. So right now I'm gonna get a before. I'm gonna get some before and after pictures for y'all. But right now that's what it looks like on this side. And this is what it looks like on this side. So this is before I start. So I'm gonna get into it, get my drill set up and everything. And we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, y'all, I'm all set up, so following directions, I gotta spray this on here to keep the light moist while I'm starting out with the 800 grit. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, I thought I was recording, so I might be missing some footage when I was actually polishing this. But I went over it like 6 passes, and that's what the final product looks like. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna see what it all looks like together, I guess. Here I am working, and all of a sudden we get this big, huge storm out of nowhere. It's just raining really hard. This can't be the same rain they did it for Lil Saint in. Can't be. But anyway, as y'all can see, I made a huge mess. But that's okay, because the rain gonna clean all this up for me. I got these lights all buffed out, polished, and they look 10 times better than they did. Let me turn the headlights on. I should have turned the headlights on before I started. Yeah, they look 10 times better than they did. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna go and shut it down. Hopefully it'll quit raining here soon. But yeah, overall, I guess I need to rate the product. So I'm gonna put you some before and after pictures in there right now. So as you can see, they were very oxidated. Before they were yellow, cloudy. And then after I applied the solution, it came out with this. And it looks a lot better. So as long as you got one of these, give it a try. Just follow, do what they say do on the back. Go over it like 5 times or something with certain pads, and voila, you got some new headlights, new looking headlights. If I keep this car, I'm probably gonna replace these headlights anyway, but until then, so yeah, she is looking a lot better. And that's gonna do it for this video again, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in the next video.